Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will develop a C program to search an item from an array. For that, in the VS Code, I am creating a C program named search array item.c. And in the program, I am adding header file stdio.h to use the printf and scanf statement. Then I am creating the main function of the program. And within the main function, in the declaration part, I am declaring an integer variable I and an integer array named numbers for the size 5. In the next line, I am creating a for loop which will run from I equal to 0 to I equal to 4. Within the for loop, I am adding a printf statement to display enter value for numbers of %d, where %d indicates the index of the array, which is the value of I. After that, I am adding a scanf statement to read the value from the input and store it in the specific index of the array. The index will be from 0 to 4. After the for loop, I am adding a printf statement to display enter a number to search. We need a variable to read the input number to search. For that, I am declaring another variable search in the declaration part. Now I am adding a scanf statement to read the value for the variable search. To search an item from the array, we have to check all the indexes from 0 to size minus 1 of the array one by one. To do that, I am creating another for loop which will run from 0 to 4, which are all the index of the array. We also need a variable to store the identified index of the search element. And within the for loop, I am adding a if condition. Here, within the if condition, I am comparing search with the item in the array index. For each iteration of the loop, the array index will be from 0 to 4. And within the if condition, I am assigning value of I to the index. This means the index has the position where the search element present inside the array. I am adding the break within the if, so after finding the element, the loop will stop. So after this loop execution, the index might have any one of the value from 0 to 5 if the searched element present inside the array. For the identification, let us initialize the index variable with the value -1. And now, after the for loop which searches the element, I am creating a if statement with the condition index is greater than or equal to 0. This means if the index has the value 0 or greater than 0, it identified the element from the array. And within the if condition, I am adding a printf statement to display the search element found at the specific index of the array. And in the else block, I am adding a printf statement to display search number not found in the array. For better display, I am adding /n at the end of each printf statement. Finally, at the very end of the main function, I am adding return 0 to mention this is the end of the program. Let's save the program, and to compile it, I am opening the VS Code terminal by pressing Ctrl J. And in the terminal console, I am typing gcc space search array item.c and then pressing enter. And to run the program in the same terminal window, I am typing /a.exe and then pressing enter. Now in the console output, the program is asking to enter values for array. Let us give values for the each index of the array from 0 to 4. After that, again the program is asking a number to search. Let me give a number. And if the number is identified, the program will print number found at the index of the array. And if not found, the program will print number is not found at the array. And this is how you can find an item present in the array or not. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also, please subscribe if you are new to this channel.